Welcome to Travel Uncharted, your go-to guide for exciting and offbeat travel experiences. In today's episode, we're diving into the vibrant city of Miami, Florida. From breathtaking sunsets to cultural hotspots, Miami has it all. So, fasten your seatbelts as we uncover the top 12 things to do in the Magic City. Let's get started. 12. Sunset Cruise. As the sun dips below the horizon, embark on a tranquil sunset cruise along Miami's coastline. Feel the gentle breeze, witness the sky ablaze with warm hues, and capture the perfect moment as the sun bids farewell. Join us as we navigate the best spots for this serene experience, making memories against the backdrop of Miami's stunning skyline. So, get ready to set sail into the golden hour on this unforgettable sunset cruise. 11. Salsa Nights. After dark, Miami comes alive with the rhythmic beats of Salsa Nights. Join us as we explore the city's vibrant nightlife, where sultry moves and lively music take center stage. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a novice, Miami's salsa clubs offer an electric atmosphere. We'll guide you through the best spots to sway to the music, making your night in Miami an unforgettable dance-filled adventure. So, grab your dancing shoes, feel the Latin vibes, and let's dive into the energetic world of Salsa Nights. 10. Kayaking and Paddleboarding. Escape to the tranquil waters of Miami with a dose of kayaking and paddleboarding. Join us as we navigate through the scenic Biscayne Bay and Oleta River State Park, exploring Miami's coastal beauty. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned paddler, we've got the tips for an enjoyable experience. Glide through crystal-clear waters, soak in the sunshine, and connect with nature on this aquatic adventure. So, grab your paddle, don your sunscreen, and let's embark on a refreshing journey through the waters of Miami. 9. Zoo Miami. For a wild escape, Zoo Miami beckons with over 3,000 animals from around the world. Join us as we explore this captivating zoo, home to majestic creatures and playful inhabitants. From endangered species to family-friendly exhibits, Zoo Miami offers a day of discovery and fun. We'll guide you through the must-see attractions, share fascinating facts, and showcase the conservation efforts underway. So, pack your sense of wonder and let's embark on a safari adventure without leaving the heart of Miami. 8. Miami Design District. Uncover the intersection of art, fashion, and design in the Miami Design District. Join us as we stroll through open-air art installations, trendy cafes, and boutique stores. Miami Design District is a creative haven offering a unique blend of culture and aesthetics. From artistic displays to chic boutiques, we'll showcase the district's vibrant atmosphere. So, whether you're a culture enthusiast or a fashion-forward traveler, Miami Design District promises a delightful experience. Let's wander through this urban canvas together. 7. Bayside Marketplace. For a perfect fusion of shopping and waterfront charm, Bayside Marketplace steals the spotlight. Join us as we explore this bustling marketplace nestled along the bay. From diverse shops to mouth-watering cuisine and live entertainment, Bayside Marketplace offers a lively experience. We'll guide you through the vibrant atmosphere, share tips for the best finds, and ensure you make the most of your visit. So, get ready to shop, dine, and soak in the energetic ambience by the bay at Bayside Marketplace. 6. Art Deco District. Step back in time and into the pastel-hued charm of Miami's Art Deco District. Join us on a leisurely stroll along Ocean Drive, surrounded by iconic buildings from the 1930s and 40s. Miami's South Beach is a living canvas of history and glamour. We'll explore the unique architecture, share stories of the past, and capture the timeless allure of this historic district. So, slip on your sunglasses and let's wander through the colorful streets of the Art Deco District. 5. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. Indulge in the opulence of Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a European-inspired estate that's a feast for the senses. Join us as we wander through opulent rooms filled with art and antiques and explore meticulously landscaped gardens. Vizcaya offers a serene retreat, showcasing Miami's cultural heritage. We'll guide you through the highlights, share intriguing details, and capture the elegance of this historic gem. So, get ready for a cultural journey through the lavish landscapes of Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. 4. Everglades National Park. Embark on a thrilling adventure into the heart of nature at Everglades National Park. Join us on an airboat ride through vast marshes where you'll encounter alligators, turtles, and exotic birds. We'll share tips for a safe and exciting journey, highlighting the unique flora and fauna of the Florida Everglades. So, gear up for an adrenaline-pumping escape into this untamed wilderness. Whether you're a nature lover or an adventure seeker, Everglades National Park promises an unforgettable experience. 3. Little Havana. Immerse yourself in the vibrant Cuban culture of Little Havana, where the streets pulse with energy and authenticity. Join us as we explore the colorful neighborhoods filled with the aroma of authentic Cuban coffee and the sounds of salsa music. Little Havana is a sensory delight, offering a taste of Cuba in the heart of Miami. We'll guide you through the lively street festivals, share the best spots for traditional Cuban cuisine, and ensure you soak in the cultural richness of this lively gem. So, put on your dancing shoes and let's savor the soulful streets of Little Havana. 2. Wynwood Walls. Unleash your inner artist at Wynwood Walls, Miami's vibrant street art mecca. Join us as we wander through this outdoor gallery where vibrant murals by renowned artists adorn the walls. Wynwood Walls is a visual feast celebrating Miami's artistic spirit. We'll guide you through the most captivating murals, share the stories behind the art, and showcase the creative energy that makes Wynwood a must-visit destination. So, whether you're an art enthusiast or just looking for a unique backdrop, let's dive into the colorful world of Wynwood Walls. 1. Miami Beach. And now, the crown jewel of Miami, Miami Beach. Sink your toes into the soft sands, bask in the sun, and take a refreshing dip in the turquoise waters. Miami Beach is the epitome of a tropical paradise, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Whether you're a beach enthusiast or an adventure seeker, Miami Beach has something for everyone. We'll guide you through the best spots, share beach essentials, and ensure you make the most of your time in this coastal haven. So, get ready to experience the magic of Miami Beach. That concludes our journey through the top 12 things to do in Miami. We hope this guide inspires your future adventures in the Magic City. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel insights. Until next time, keep exploring the uncharted. Safe travels.